Craving a chatpata street style snack? Today we are making authentic chana chaat, spicy, tangy and absolutely delicious. I am Nahida with you and let's get started. Take 1 cup chana and soak for 6 hours or overnight for the best texture. Watch the full video to discover the amazing health benefits of this delicious recipe. Wash thoroughly and boil in hot water until softened. Add a pinch of baking soda while boiling to speed up cooking and make them extra soft. Once done, strain the chana and keep aside. Chickpeas are packed with protein and fiber, making this a nutritious snack. Making the masala mix. In a bowl, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 cup water. This spice mix gives that classic street style chaat flavor. Set aside. Cooking the chana. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, let them splatter for that aromatic flavor. Pour in the masala mix and saute for 1 minute. Weight loss friendly, the low calorie, high protein snack keeps craving away without guilt. Add boiled chana and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until all the flavors blend beautifully. Smells amazing already. Chickpeas help lower cholesterol, keeping your heart happy and healthy. Did you know chana chaat is one of the most popular street food in India and Pakistan, loved for its spicy and tangy taste? Assembling the chaat. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup boiled potatoes, half cup cucumber, half cup tomatoes, 3 tablespoons onion, 1 teaspoon lemon juice for a zesty kick. Toss everything together. The combination of protein and iron in chickpeas make this a perfect energy boosting snack. Let the chana sit in the masala for a few minutes before serving for the best flavor. Your authentic chana chaat is ready to serve. Do you love spicy or mild chaat? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our crispy crunchy delights. Stay tuned for more tasty recipes from Enoven Cake and Cookies.